Allison Dempster, CBC News, Calgary.
Well, it's no secret that red meat is not the healthiest of choices, but a new study says it could be even worse than previously thought. According to the study, eating just one serving of red meat a day greatly increases the risk of early death. The study was done by the Harvard School of Public Health. It concluded that one daily serving of unprocessed red meat, that's about the size of a deck of cards, was associated with a 13% increase in the risk of death. And it found that one daily serving of processed meat, such as a hot dog or a slice of bacon, was associated with a 20% increase in the rate of mortality. Now, the CBC's Amanda Ferguson is covering this story for us, and he joins me here in the studio. We've heard studies like this before, but this one adds a new sense of urgency, doesn't it?
I think you're right, and what it does, because it really puts into perspective that eating a small amount of red meat can really increase your risk of cancer and even death. Now, the study authors aren't just referring to your typical size steak. They say one lone serving a day, that's the size of a deck of cards, can potentially send you to an early grave.
No matter which way you slice it, if red meat's on the menu, your health may also be on the line. A recent study by Harvard University followed more than 120,000 Americans for almost 30 years and found 15,000 of them died from cancer or heart failure after eating red meat more than once a day.
Lean beef is actually a healthy food.
It's a study those in Canada's beef sector say they disagree with. And they are quick to defend an industry that's been under siege before.
I just want to reassure Canadians that they should continue to eat lean Canadian beef with confidence.
But the study found even in moderation, the danger was there. Researchers linked eating processed meats, like just one hot dog or 2 bacon strips, to a 20% increase in death.
Maybe limiting red meat to once a week or special occasions.
This nutritionist agrees with the study, but says a full-blown ban on beef is not needed.
Small amounts of meat in small quantities actually have benefits. Red meat has iron in it, and it has a heme iron, which is easily digestible by human beings.
Steak every day, bacon in the morning for breakfast.
Others, like Calgary Steakhouse manager Jen Thompson, swear by a protein-rich diet. And she says the study won't scare her away from her favorite dish.
I have a higher chance of getting hit by a sea train, realistically, and somebody dying of eating a good steak.
Now, say you want to replace some of the red meat in your diet with other options. Here's how the study ranked the alternatives. You increase your chances of dying by 7% if you eat fish and 14% for poultry. So normally it really seems like you just can't win.
It does, doesn't it? So just, eat in moderation and be happy.
Absolutely.
All right. Thanks a lot, Amanda. Well, we want to know if this new research will change your eating habits when it comes to red meat. Check out our website at cbc.ca to cast your vote. Well, love it or hate it, the controversial Calgary Peace Bridge will soon be opening.